Okay, are we ready for step number 2? So the first step was education, as again, I am very adamant that people need to be educated on how to use the essential oils. And therefore, we also have one other tool that I did forget about, and that is doTERRAuniversity.com. doTERRAuniversity.com is another great resource if you have any questions or want to learn more about doTERRA specifically. Okay, so step 2 is, well, there's 3 ways to use essential oils. We have aromatically, we have topically, and then we have internally. And I'm going to actually start with topically because that is usually one of the most important ways to use the oils. They're all very important, but it's one of the ways. I am a massage therapist, so I initially started using them topically even before aromatically. So a few things to understand when you're using the essential oils topically. Number one, most people are not allergic or don't have necessarily allergic reactions when the essential oils are 100% pure, which doTERRA's are. They're certified pure, 100% pure. However, some people have allergies to either melaleuca, tea tree, lavender, cinnamon, some even peppermint. So again, everybody's different and everybody reacts chemically different to many different products, and that includes essential oils. So if you know that you do tend to have a sensitivity to any of those essential oils or anything in particular, when you are going to incorporate an essential oil, so for instance, here's peppermint, on the inside of your arm, right here, is a great place to do a little patch test. And what I mean by that is you're literally going to take a little of the essential oil. You're going to place it right on the inside of your arm, right near your elbow. Over here. There you go. Right in your elbow. Okay. So let that sit maybe for 24 hours. See the results that you get. If it tends to be a little irritated, tends to get inflamed, or if it's an immediate inflammation, what I'm going to recommend is you dilute right away. And you may have to dilute going forward if you tend to be more sensitive. I don't tend to have sensitive skin, so I can use the majority of the oils right on the skin, which we call neat. The carrier oil or the diluting oil that I recommend, it's doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. The fractionated coconut oil is a little bit different than the coconut oil in your cupboard, the one that's hard, that you can cook with, that you can also use, but it tends to be very oily. The fractionated coconut oil, what they do is they cut the medium chain fatty acids, and the two results with that is the fact that it cuts the scent and it also makes it liquid. So as you can see here, I don't have a lot in here, but it is liquid. So that one little drop is enough. I can even just massage that in so I can dilute it. If you need more, you can always add more. When you're diluting the essential oils, it does not dilute the effectiveness. It just decreases how fast it's going to absorb into your system. So if you do want it to absorb slower, you can definitely add fractionated coconut oil as a diluting agent going forward. The cool thing with doTERRA is we realize that some people like to have their oils pre-diluted. So we actually just came out with this, what's called a touch kit. And we have actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of our most popular essential oils. You're going to get Breathe, which is our respiratory blend. You're going to get Melaleuca, Oregano, On Guard, which is our protective blend, Lavender, Peppermint, Deep Blue, which is our pain blend, Frankincense, as well as Digestion, which is our digestive blend, as the name does indicate. So you actually can purchase this as a kit, and what you will get is actually roller balls. These roller balls are diluted per the ratios needed to also have both an aromatic and topical experience. So if dilution or sensitivity tends to be something that you worry about, or you want to use these directly on your children right away, the Touch Kit is a phenomenal opportunity to get started with doTERRA and to especially use the oils topically. Some of the reasons why you would use the essential oils topically is the fact that you have something going on the outside, whether you have some redness, whether you have some acne. It's going to help support your skin. It's going to help support the healing process that your body will do. Um, Headaches, that type of thing. It's not going to cure anything, and it's not going to treat anything, but it's going to support your body in helping it do what it needs to do to help those symptoms. Okay, so from a topical perspective, essential oils are a phenomenal way to get started. And as I mentioned to you, you can apply them either neat directly on the skin, you can dilute them yourselves, or if you prefer them pre-diluted, you can use the doTERRA New Touch Kit.